Hi friends, I'm Sangeeta. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with some winter remedies. As it's third week of December, temperature is dropping continuously. And we are suffering from cold, sore throat, flu, all these things. And what happens? We lose our taste bud, and for sore throat also we are not feeling to eat anything. So with that winter remedies, I am here today. I'll share two remedies today which you can do. Say home remedies you can do. So let me start the video now.
Here I took 3 medium size onion, 2 red chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of kalonji, 4 green chilies, 4 tablespoons of mustard oil and 6 cloves of garlic. First I am going to prepare the onion paste. To prepare the onion paste, first I'll take this chopped onion in the grinder. I will add garlic cloves here, 3 to 4 green chilies as per your taste, and 1 teaspoon of kalonji or kalo jeera or nigella seeds. With that I'll prepare this paste in the grinder. Now in a karai, add 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Here I'll add 2 dry red chilies. Let it fry for a minute or two. Once it changes the color, we'll add this onion paste into the mustard oil. I'll cook this onion paste in medium to low heat. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. You have to fry it in a low to medium heat now till it becomes dry and comes it in one place. Onion is great for winters as they fight common cold and cough.
Basically in winter time when you have cold and cough, you lose that taste bud and that time you don't feel to eat anything. This paste, because onion, garlic and these nigella seeds, everything has their own benefits. So and it's very spicy. So you can adjust that spiciness as per your own choice, and that brings you the taste back basically. So it's very helpful, very beneficial when you are losing the taste during that cold time. So just try it, prepare it. How do you eat it?
We eat this onion paste with plain white rice.
Or the kalonji, don't put too much, because if you add too much, what happens? It adds that bitter taste little bit. So adjust that thing. Just go with the proportion I'm sharing here in this recipe in the ingredients list. Follow that thing, you'll not get the bitter taste. So just balance it out with your own taste bud.
Once everything comes together in one place means your onion paste is ready.
So my onion paste is done. Now I'm going for the herbal tea. We call it kath, but it's a type of herbal tea only. So I'm going to prepare that herbal tea now.
This is my tulsi plant. I'm going to use the leaves of this tulsi plant for my herbal tea. These are the dried seeds you can see, from where you can grow new plant. For this herbal tea I need ginger, I need black pepper, I need cloves and honey. For this herbal tea I am going to use this palm candy. But if you have, then only. If you don't have, don't worry, you can skip this. This palm candy looks like this. Pour 1 glass of water in a pan. You can crush these ginger pieces or you can finely chop and use this ginger. The crushed ginger is ready. Now I am going to add into the water. Add the cloves and the peppercorns and let it boil.
This is my tulsi plant. You can call it as a basil, but basil is a bit different type of leaves. These tulsi leaves are very beneficial for cold and cough. So I'm going to use these tulsi leaves for my herbal tea. Sometimes it's very difficult in UK to maintain this tulsi plant, but it needs little bit sunlight and that heat. So generally we keep it in the utility room. So it's good. Still, it's third week of December. It still is going good. So hope it will survive for longer because it's a last year plant.
I'll collect some leaves from this tulsi plant which I'm going to use into my herbal tea now. Bring it to boil now. I will add the palm candy now. Palm candy is sweet in taste, so I'll bring it to boil again. It starts changing the color. 1 glass water, it should become half glass of water. Herbal tea is ready. Add 1 teaspoon of honey, mix it and drink
Another
it.
very common thing during winter time, blocked nose, and we can't breathe properly, and kids, they suffer a lot. Whole night they can't sleep and they cry. So there is also one home remedy which I did with my both kids. So I'm going to share that thing. It may help you.
This is Nigella seeds, which you call kalonji. Take 1 cotton handkerchief. Don't worry, if you don't have, take a kitchen roll. Take 1 piece from the kitchen roll. Put 1 teaspoon of kalonji in the middle and just fold it.
Just inhale this. This helps to unblock your nose. So this is another tip I thought let's share with you all of you. So that's all from me for today's video. It may help you and your family. So I thought why not to share, because winter is here, so it can be beneficial. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you are trying any of these out of 3 and if you are benefited, please share with me. So see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.